video solution to the sample paper given by the CBSE Board for 21-22 academic year, and it's a standard version of the paper, term 1 paper, multiple choice questions, right. Sides AB and BE of a right triangle, right angled at B are of length 16 and 8 respectively. This is what the diagram is. AB and BE are perpendicular to each other, right angled at B. AB is equal to 16 mentioned, BE is equal to 8. Go back to the question. The length of the side of the largest square FDGB is the largest square that can be inscribed in it. We need to find out the length of that square. That's what this question is all about. Let's say the length of the square is equal to, side of the square is equal to A. So, FD will be A, DG will be A, GB will be A, and FB will be A, because in a square all sides are equal. We are saying that side is equal to A. We need to find out A is equal to how much is what the question is, right. Let's get started. Look at it. Because it's a square, BG and FD will be parallel, because opposite sides of a square are parallel, which will essentially make corresponding angles in these two, right. If we extend this line, these are going to be parallel lines. So, corresponding sides would be equal. So, let us take this to be equal to theta, this to be equal to theta. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So, theta 90 are the two angles in AFD and DGE, which make these two triangles to be similar triangles. By double A, right, this is 90 degrees. Corresponding angles are equal, therefore, these two are theta and theta. By double A, triangle AFD is similar to triangle DGE, right. We said FD measures A, DG measures A, BG measures A, and FB measures A. Good. Now, therefore, AF divided by DG, AF by DG is going to be equal to FD by GE. AF by DG is FD by GE. Let's see what all these values are, right. Do we know AF? Not really, but yes. This entire AB is equal to 16, FB is equal to A. So, AF is going to be equal to 16 minus A. So, AF is 16 minus A. DG is the side of the square which is equal to A, which is what we are trying to find out. FD do we know? Yes, which is equal to A. Do you know the measure of GE? Not really, but yes, this entire BE is 8, BG is equal to A. So, this is going to be equal to 8 minus A. So, GE is equal to 8 minus A. Looks like we have one equation, one variable, we should be able to solve and get the value for A. Quickly do it, cross multiply. 16 minus A times 8 minus A is equal to A square. 16 into 8 is equal to 128, minus 16A minus 8A, which makes it as minus 24A, plus minus A into minus A, which is equal to A square, is equal to A square. Take the A square to the right hand side, gets cancelled. Take the 24A to the right hand side, we will get 128 is equal to 24A. A is equal to 128 divided by 24. Both numbers are divisible by 8. This is 16 times 8, this is 3 times 8. So, side of the square is equal to 16 by 3 units, 16 by 3 centimeters. Choice B is the correct answer to the question.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.